Oh my gosh. It is 8:44 a.m. and it's on my other video that I did for the landscape. And the first time, I would say in 15 years. And it was, yeah, it kept like on crawling. I got it on the other video, but oh my gosh. But yeah, it is raining here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna head right back in. Wow. I'm gonna have to see the playback of that. But yeah, I just wanted to and do a short for you guys. I'll see if I can get that as a short for you guys. But oh my gosh, it was wow. Yeah, I'll put it up on TikTok. But I'm just out here just enjoying the rain. I guess we're supposed to. It rained sometime last night, but yeah, didn't expect that to get that on camera. So I'll just get that little thing and edit it out and put that on as a little thing. But holy crap! Yeah, it was definitely a possum. But before I go, I'll do this. This is what I came out here for, to get some rain for you guys. I'll make this one into I don't need any more shorts, so but yeah, I'll see if I can clip that. Holy shoot. Because normally you would see possums at night, right? But holy crap. I'll put out this one out first since it's already um, in the thing here, but holy crap. Yeah, I'm just sitting here just minding my own business and right around there and I'm going like, oh my god, you know. But anyway, I'm going to go and put this one out on TikTok and then I'll just put this out too. Why not?